guys, welcome to Cool Kitchen, and today we are going to make mango mastani. Mango mastani is a pride of food in city. I tried mango mastani lots of time and I'm loving it. Now let's start making the mango puree. I have used one mango for this mastani. Now let's take some sugar. Now let's blend this. Now our mango puree is ready. Now let's add some milk. Now let's blend it until it gets blended well together. Now the first part of our mango mastani is ready. Now let's go to the second part. Now let's pour this mastani in a serving glass. Now I poured half because I'm adding some mango ice cream, and you can watch the mango ice cream recipe on our channel. Let's garnish it with some mango chunks. Our mango mastani is ready. Let's enjoy it.